NNM Tech presents. We got a digital camera today, and it's the HMX-F90 Samsung digital camera. We got some new stuff coming in. Let's get this open and see what it looks like. What we got in here. Let's open it up here. Warning, use battery packs. Yeah, we know all this. Alright, this comes with a owner's registration manual guide. Alright, we got some cables here. Who uses these anymore? Oh, there's an HDMI. It looks like I need. Oh, this is for the AVI. Who's using AVI anymore? We got a charger. And a USB cable. It's the camera. What's this? Oh, this must be the battery. The battery's in here. Here's the camcorder. Check this bad boy out. Ooh, look how pretty it is. Look how pretty it is. Let's see. It has a smart auto button. It has smart, looks like to brighten it, and then it has pause, and then I think that's to upload to YouTube and stuff. Here's a record button. Record button's right here, and then it looks like you got like a zoom in button next to it and a menu button. Up here is I'm not sure what these buttons do, but you got a nice handle for it. Alright, that's it for the box. Put this stuff back in there. Actually, I gotta use that, I gotta register it. Let's rip this thing open here. And let's see if I can get some specs on the camera. We got 52x optical zoom, 70-inch IntelliZoom zoom. We got CMOS true color within, HD 2080 by 720 HD recording. It has an HDMI output. PC requirements are Windows XP, Service Pack 2 or Vista, or Windows 7. CPU is Intel Core 2 Dual, 1.66 GHz higher is recommended. Or AMD Athlon X2 Dual Core, 2.2 GHz higher recommended. USB 2.0 support. It's a white model, and it's a very nice camcorder. We're gonna do some videos and see how they come out. And it has hyper upgraded digital image stabilization system, USB be charged with USB, built-in plug-and-play built-in PC software for editing and sharing, so it has its own editing and sharing software. My Clip, enjoy your favorite moment only. One-touch sharing button. And Smart BGM 2, my music. Alright. If you like our videos, please click subscribe on there and comment and let us know what you like, and we'll let you know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll link some links below to check out our rest of our videos. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.